Sarah with Obadiah's. Today we are baking inside of our North Wood Cookstove. So as I mentioned in some other videos, you do always want to make sure that you burn the stove really hot for at least one full day before you bake in it, just due to the paints and things like that burning off the stove itself. So today we are baking banana bread. So I'll show you my batter here. The oven has been heating up for about 30 minutes or so, which was plenty of time to get it up to temperature. This particular banana bread is going to bake at 350 degrees for about an hour, 50 minutes actually. So I do have one of these handy dandy temperature displays. So I was measuring the interior of the oven right before I started this. And I'm pretty excited to see how this is going to bake. I think it's going to bake really even because when I was measuring the temperatures from this left-hand side of the oven when facing the front of the stove, which is closest to the firebox, and the right-hand side of the oven, we're actually within a 15-degree temperature of each other. So that's really, really close in temperature variations. Not all cook stoves are going to bake that even, so I'm really excited. I'm going to go ahead and put this banana bread in here right now, and then of course I will keep you guys updated on the baking process as I get through this. In about 20 minutes to half an hour, I'll come back and check on this. Okay, we are halfway through our baking process right now. What's nice about having a glass door is you can check on it without opening it. Of course, especially when it's something like bread that could fall. So I like using a glass pan because then you can see what your edges look like. Am I burning? So right now you can really tell from side to side that it's baking quite evenly. I actually can't honestly see a difference from the side to side. I know with my reflection it might be a little bit hard for you to see in there. But that's what it's looking like. It's looking delicious. I'm excited. All right, we are back. I'm a couple minutes late here, but not burnt, but golden brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing out. And as always, we want to check it with a toothpick to make sure it's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out here. Very hot. And I'm gonna show you this up close and personal. Looks beautiful. I'm just gonna test it here. Make sure it's cooked on the inside. Here is the finished product. So, nice glass pan so you can see the edges. Golden brown. But overall, very even on all sides and the top. So I'm quite impressed with the baking oven on the North Cookstove. And as soon as this banana bread cools down, we will eat it up. As always, thank you guys for watching our videos. If you guys hit thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the more likes and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will continue to produce. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.